Hello. Well, we started some of our acronyms in the last video. So if you haven't seen it, over here, where it says more videos, click on it, and you'll go back to one of those videos. And we're going to start with NES today. NES. My son put it on the list, so I have no idea.
NES. It's the...
Not everyday system.
Well, you're close. It's a system.
Not efficient system?
No.
Well, it's supposed to be computer acronyms, so...
And more. Forgot that.
Oh, so it's...
You guys make it easier for everybody.
Oh, I got it.
There, it's a Nintendo Entertainment System. It's one of the classic Nintendos, like Super Mario Bros. And all those old games. It's fun games. You probably had one, huh, Dad?
I actually did not have an NES ever.
Did you have like a fake NES?
Yes.
Those were cool, huh? Didn't they play like more than one type of cartridge? Those cheap systems? Okay, Dad, it's all you now.
Alright, the next one we got is LCD. You keep hearing about these things called LCD. Oh, I'm going to get an LCD TV. My laptop is an LCD, blah, blah, blah. What is this?
Oh.
What does it actually stand for?
Controlled device? I don't know.
Well,
Isn't it like that screen thing? Here, like what's in, kind of like what's in watches. LCD watches and those classic LCD games that we all used to play. Like
so
those
it's
LCDs.
actually liquid.
Wait, there's liquid?
Yes. It's actually liquid crystal. Crystal
So
display.
what's so crystal?
So if you actually push on it,
It changes
you'll
colors.
see it will actually, the liquid will actually kind of smudge.
I
And
can
then
do
get
that on my
back to
calculator.
position. So we don't have time for that.
Oh yeah.
But you got the idea. It's actually, there's liquid inside. Inside the screen. So you see these LCD displays on laptop screens, TVs these days, while TVs are moving into different technology, which is our next topic,
LED.
which is LED. So you keep hearing LED, the term used LED.
So
It's
this
not
is-
liquid,
Oh, so no more liquid.
and it's not actually, D does not stand for display either. So
You
it's
think it would.
actually
Something like
LED, the term LED itself actually stands for light.
Oh wait, let me guess the last one.
It's an electronics term. Very, very small electronic components.
Yeah, no idea.
It's a light emitting diodes.
What's a
They're
diode?
tiny, tiny little things that emit light. So given how much power you send to it, it can change color. And your TV might have lots and lots of LEDs that actually make up the display. And each LED is getting a different amount of current to display a different color on the screen.
So, doesn't LCD do the same thing for like a different amount of current?
Yes, but it's a different mechanism, and I'm not sure how that whole thing works.
Yeah.
So, but I do know how to help you guys understand acronyms. All right, the next one is DLP. DLP came into life kind of after LCD. It's well, actually before LED, and maybe sometime kind of before LCD also. It's actually digital linear projection.
So, what does this do?
This is actually a way of projecting images onto the screen, still using the old school projection technology, but in a better resolution.
So, I have a question. Would they, like in my Game Boy, it's got pixels. Is that LCD, LED, or DLP?
It's a different topic.
Just wondering, I mean.
We'll get to it someday. I'm going to have to go Google it. All right.
BTU.
BTU is something that I actually don't know.
Here, I'll check.
It's, I know what it,
Why don't you tell me what
we
it is?
calculate amount of heat in BTUs. But what does actually BTU stands for?
Oh, here it is.
Well,
It's,
T is thermal, right?
yes.
And U is units.
Yes.
So we left with this B.
Okay, okay, guess. Country.
Belgium?
Oh, you're so close. Same
Alright.
continent. Come on.
I have no idea.
British.
British is actually British thermal units. Oh my gosh, I even learned
Okay,
something.
here's more info on it. It's a traditional unit of energy equal to about 1,055 joules.
Oh, so we're talking physics here now.
Pretty much.
Wow, I am so glad somebody wrote down more over here.
I know, right?
This is definitely not a computer term.
Well,
But
I mean,
again, you know what? Computers do emit heat. And if you got servers with, servers in a data center, you got to figure out how much BTUs you're putting out because you got to cool that place down.
yeah, definitely.
All right, next one is VM.
So not VMware, nothing to do with that.
You kind of already gave it away.
Oh, it has something to do with like VMware.
Well, what does VMware company do itself? They're
Cloud?
masters of,
Cloud.
no, what comes before?
Virtualization?
Yes. So, VM, M is actually, is machine, so what does V stand for?
Virtual.
Virtual, yes.
Oh, that's cool.
Virtual machine. Virtual machines are all over the place these days.
So
Talk about
VM.
cloud, it's full of these VMs.
So
Talk
VM.
about Google's data center or Google's compute cloud, it's full of VMs, that's all it is. Rackspace, Amazon, Amazon's web service, AWS,
Oh.
is all virtual machines. VMs.
So VM World is Virtual Machine World.
VM World is actually a conference
Yeah, I know, but
that
technically.
VMware puts out to introduce their new technologies that are coming in the near future. All right, next one is GIF.
Yeah.
GIF. I have no idea how it's actually, but it's GIF.
Is that
You
like
see this
on
on
Pinterest?
Pinterest or all kind of Facebook. It's not a video. It's not a picture because it's something that actually moves, but it's not a video or it's not a picture. It's actually a combination of 3 or 4 pictures. They're in a sequence and they repeat. You end up with a set of images that is repeating in a sequence, and it looks like a repeating video. So GIF itself actually stands for
Good information format.
well, format is correct.
Great information format?
It's not.
It's not
I
great.
actually forgot this one.
Here, I'll search it.
We're gonna go try to look it up.
Here, I got it right here. So GIF. So that's a really bad definition. A file in GIF format. Wow, great definition.
Okay, there, I found it. Well, G actually stands for graphics.
Oh, that's close. Ish. Oh, here. Computer file format For the
And I actually stands for interchange.
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
because the images are changing, if you think of it that way. Maybe
Oh.
that's why they call it interchange.
Hey.
Alright, that was GIF.
GIF?
GIF. I don't know. GIF.
It was first known use in 1987.
Wow. Alright, pop.
Hi, Pop.
Pop is a mechanism or a protocol used by most mail systems.
Mail systems?
Email systems.
Oh.
Not the mailman you see. You may deliver a pot, but it has nothing to do with the pot. File transfer pot
Pop.
protocol
It's pop.
to pop, to transfer data. I actually forgot what pop stands
Here,
for.
let's check it out. Pop. Pop is. I forgot to remember in Webster. Wow, that's a lot of definitions for pop.
Wow, I found it. Again, going back to the mailman. It's actually post office protocol. That is amazing.
Who wrote pop?
Wow, that is great. So POP stands for Post Office Protocol.
So what does it do?
It's the language that computer speaks to exchange email messages.
But those binary.
That's lower level.
Oh, okay.
All right, next one is POTS.
It's all different color.
Yes. All right, POTS actually doesn't have anything to do with computers, but computers did use this POTS thing back in the 90s to get on the internet. So again, comes handy to say computer acronyms and more. It actually stands for telephone system.
Portable operating telephone
So
system.
it's TS is telephone system. And a lot of people no longer have this in their home. It's actually stands for plain old telephone system.
Plain old telephone system.
Alright guys, this is it for this video. We finished the list on this side. If you like it, please go subscribe. You want to watch the rest of our videos, more videos, link over there. Thank you so much.